Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set a password in Microsoft Word document so that no one else can open it without your permission. The method is very easy and you don't need any software or technical skill. So let's jump right now. First, open the Word file that you want to protect. Then go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. Now click on Save As. Choose where you want to save the file, like your desktop or any folder. At the bottom of the Save As window, look carefully. You will see a button and Tools. Click on Tools and then click on General option. A small box will appear. There you will see an option called Password to open. Any password you like. Now click OK. It will ask you to type the password again, just to confirm. Once done, click Save. That's it. Your Word document is now locked. Close your document. Open your file and your document is now locked. Thanks a lot for watching, friends. If this video helped you even a little, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And yes, share it with your friends too so they can learn something useful today. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.